Hey everyone, it's Lisa. Welcome back to our channel. So today I'm going to be doing a unboxing slash reveal of our March subscription kit. I actually did this over on our IG live, but some of you guys requested to also post it as a YouTube video, so that is why I'm filming it now. So our monthly subscription box is $24 for subscribers. If you want to try it out without committing, you can grab it for $30. However, this weekend it is actually on sale, so you can get it for $25. You can also prepay 3, 6, or 12 months in advance to save even more. So I'll have a link in our description for you to go and check it out after this video. I did want to mention before I get into the unboxing and flip through that we do have a limited amount of signups every single month. I believe as I am filming this video today that we have about 20 subscription boxes left. I am filming this in advance though, so that number might be different by the time this video goes live. If you're not interested in this month's art, but you would still like to subscribe maybe in the future, our signups for the next box opens on the 1st. So if you want to grab the April box, that will be available starting April 1st. So I guess I'll just go ahead and get started. So I'm going to start with the weekly kit. It is our 4-page full weekly kit and every single page is foiled. It is on our Luxe Premium Matte sticker paper. So for this, I would recommend using the Sakura microperm pens to write on it. We always get asked what pen works the best on the sticker paper, since it is like almost like a vinyl material. But here is just a close-up of the full boxes. It is very Monet inspired, which I absolutely love. I kept the foil a little bit simple since I didn't want to take away from the beautiful art that this kit uses. So gorgeous. So then you have your functional boxes. We have lots of them. And then you have your date covers, some checklists, sidebar stickers, and lots of layering stickers. And then we have the bottom washi page, as well as some headers. So that is the kit, and it is in gold foil. So that is the weekly kit, and then with the weekly kit you will also receive a matching deco sheet, which I think is just so cute. And then you guys love our foiled stickers, so of course every single month you will receive 6 sheets of foil that match with the weekly kit. So here is just a little flip through. This first one is Wildflower Meadows, really pretty. Then we have some swan deco, which I think matches perfectly since there are swans in the art. Next we have some laurel wreaths, and I think these would be layered really well with the little square boxes. I think they would look so good together. Then we also have some laurel wreath date dots, which here is a better look. It's basically just these, but a lot smaller. And then we have some floral toppers, floral borders. Really gorgeous. I believe these are lilies. Don't quote me on that. Someone let me know if they are not. And then last but not least, we have some water lily decos, which of course just goes so well with this kit. So those are all of the stickers that you will receive. Again, it really does come with everything you need for a full week of stickers. And then moving on to the fun stationery items. So first up, we have 2 washies. They are both gold foiled, and then I actually have them rolled out here. I did a little demo on our IG live. Here is the washi. Super, super pretty. I love this little like leaf pattern on the thin washi. It is so gorgeous. And then you will also receive a journaling kit. Not a journaling kit. You will also receive a journaling card. So the back is blank. I personally really love using these as like birthday cards, Christmas cards, any sort of card. I just write on the back and it's really pretty. And then the last item is the set of transparent sticky notes, and this is in the shade Cloud. So here is actually what it looks like. As you can see, it is translucent, so you can see under it. And for this, I also would recommend using the Sakura microperm pen, which we do sell in our shop, to write on here. I find that that pen works the best. So that is everything for this month's March subscription box. Again, if you're interested, it is on sale. The one-time purchase, you can grab it for $25 this weekend, which is a really good deal. If you have any theme suggestions on what themes we should do in our future subscription kits, definitely let us know in the comments below. We're always open to suggestions and feedback. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in our next video. Bye!